The MX-5's floor sits lower than the lowest point of the MG's sills, especially in the rearward section of the floor. There were two options to solve this: either lower the floor just behind the MG's sills and accept that it sticks out, or create a smooth floor transition. I've chosen the latter. The first step was to create structural elements that would join what was left of MX-5 with the bottom of MG's sills, serving as floor supports and guide surfaces for the floor panels. They also needed to hide two structural tubes that went across. Before moving on, I had to rebuild some of the original Miata structures. After rebuilding a part of the cabin sidewall, it was time for the sills installation.
I had to cut these holes in the vertical sections of the sills.
So the original sill has a second layer and it ends right here. So that was a main problem. The width between the tunnel and the second layer of this sill would be just not enough. I'll have to figure out how to close it here. Watch the full build here.